e to the x cubed is a composite function, so to take its derivative, we need the chain rule. The derivative of f of g of x is f prime of g of x times g prime of x. In this case, our f, our outside function, is e to a power, and the g of x, our inside function, is x cubed. So here that is written out. Let's go ahead and apply the chain rule to take the derivative. And real quick, how we know that e to the x is the outside function is that we can plug this in here to get our function, e to the x cubed. If we do it the other way, plugging this into this, you're not going to get e to the x cubed. All right, for the derivative, f prime of g of x is where we start. That's the derivative of the outside function, leaving the inside function unchanged. The derivative of e to a thing is just e to that thing, and we can't change the thing, so e to the x cubed. But then by the chain rule, we need to multiply by the derivative of that thing. We need to multiply by g prime. G is x cubed, so we multiply by 3x squared. Finally, just for style, we'll move the 3x squared to the front. This is how most people would prefer to write it. 3x squared, e to the x cubed. Anytime you're taking the derivative of e to some function, it's just going to be e to that function multiplied by the derivative of that function. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and be sure to check out my Calculus 1 course and Calculus 1 exercises playlist in the description for more. Thanks for watching.